Have you ever wondered about the environmental impact of the equipment you discard? The discarded electronic gadgets, appliances, and other equipment that we often take for granted are contributing to a growing mountain of waste. This waste not only takes up valuable space in our landfills, but also releases harmful substances into our soil and water. And let's not forget the deforestation, habitat destruction, and increased carbon emissions that come with extracting raw materials for manufacturing new equipment. But there's a solution that's not only within reach, but also makes perfect sense: reuse. By extending the lifespan of our equipment, we conserve resources, save energy, and promote a circular economy. Think about it: repairing or upgrading existing equipment instead of buying new ones reduces demand for raw materials. It also cuts down on the energy consumption associated with manufacturing processes, leading to a lower carbon footprint. But it's not just about the environment. Reusing equipment can also be cost-effective. Instead of constantly investing in new products, why not extend the life of existing equipment? It's a win-win situation. And by embracing reuse, we align with the principles of a circular economy, where products and materials are kept in use for as long as possible. So, what can we do to promote reuse? Simple: repair and upgrade malfunctioning equipment. Donate or sell equipment that's still functional but no longer needed. Use platforms like Netclan Explorer App to buy, sell, or rent old equipment. By doing so, we not only create a win-win situation for everyone, but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Remember, every piece of equipment we reuse is a step towards a more sustainable future. So, the next time you're about to discard a piece of equipment, think about the impact on our environment and consider the alternative. Reuse. Our planet will thank you for it.